Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the aviation industry in Jamaica. Now, the tourism in Jamaica is booming. Jamaica has reached back to its pre-COVID levels, people coming and staying in the island. And the main way for tourists to come into Jamaica is through the airports. Now, Jamaica has cruise ship piers or terminals that are some of the best in not only the Caribbean but the world. An example is the Falmouth cruise ship terminal. Very popular, voted one of the best in the world. But cruise ship passengers just come in for the day. The cruise ships dock in the morning, passengers come off, tour Jamaica, and they leave in the evening. So in terms of people staying overnight now, it's the airports that they come through. And Jamaica has some world-class airports. And the airports are being expanded, and almost every month you hear about another airline flying to Jamaica. So it's booming. Now, the Jamaican government owns these airports, but they don't operate them. They have concession agreements. Like the Sangster International Airport and the Norman Manley International Airport are the two main international airports. We have the airport in Ocho Rios, Ian Fleming International Airport, but it can't land the big planes. It can only land the smaller planes like charter flights and the American Eagle Airlines, the smaller ones. It can't land like a 747 or a A300. They have plans to build another international airport. There's talk about it being done in Negril, but both plans would have, the Negril plan would be an airport like the one in Ocho Rios, the Ian Fleming. Phase 1, it wouldn't be able to land the big plane. So basically, we're talking about the Norman Manley International Airport and the Sangster International Airport. So the government put out an article the other day about what their plans are the aviation sector in Jamaica. So we're just going to go through the article and give you an update as to what's going on, because they have a lot of hotels being built in Jamaica. I think in the next 5 years, it's like 8,000 more rooms, and they have plans to up it to about 20,000 in the near future. Everywhere on the North Coast, you have hotels being built. And remember, all the passengers that come to stay at these hotels, or all the tourists, I should say, are going to come through the airports. Okay, so let's go through the article and then we discuss it afterwards. The government is committed to supporting and fostering a thriving aviation sector, and this will be a major priority of the Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport. This was a message from the Portfolio Minister, Honorable Darrell Vaz, as he delivered remarks at the recent opening of the inaugural Airports Council International Latin America and the Caribbean General Aviation Day Conference. The event was hosted by Jamaica through the Airports Authority of Jamaica, was held at the AC Marriott Hotel in Kingston. We continue to invest in policies, programs, and infrastructure at our airports and air traffic control systems to ensure a safe and efficient aviation environment, Minister Vaz said. The minister acknowledged the power of aviation as a force for connectivity, progress, and inspiration, which he said highlights the invaluable contribution of aviation to the society and economy. He pointed out that the country is proactive in reducing its carbon footprint and finding solutions to operate in a more sustainable manner in the aviation industry. This area will require more investment in new technology, research and development, which is feasible as we aim to achieve the 2030 transportation goals, Mr. Vaz said. The minister argued that the future of aviation lies in innovation and adopting new technologies, and that safety, efficiency, cost cutting, and minimization of environmental impact can be improved by embracing cutting-edge technologies. He encouraged the participants to examine the growing demand for air travel and the need for continuous upgrading of standards and regulations during their deliberations. The minister also called for the continuation of regional collaboration to address issues such as infrastructure development, regulatory frameworks, safety, and environmental sustainability. Alright guys, that's the end of the article. Now we drove through the Norman Manley International Airport. Now this is the second largest airport in Jamaica. The Sangster International Airport is the largest airport in Jamaica, and it's also the busiest. But this airport, the Norman Manley, it serves Kingston, which is the capital of Jamaica. The Sangster International Airport is more for tourists. 85% of all the tourists that come into Jamaica come in through the Sangster International Airport. Alright guys, so that's an update on what the government is doing for the aviation sector in Jamaica. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.